Nnewi diocese happens to be my own Catholic diocese. Now, people have been complaining that the bishop refused to recognize Ifeanyi during the Holy Mass of the newly dedicated cathedral in Nnewi diocese. Now, the video I watched, I saw the Catholic bishop of Nnewi, which is my bishop. He gave a short recognition of Ifeanyi Patrick Ubah, known as Capital Oil. But you know that in this life, whatever you do, people must talk. And people have been saying that Ifeanyi Ubah single-handedly built that cathedral. It's a capital lie. People should stop carrying out rumors. It's not good. Ifeanyi Ubah started the building and he brought it to the roofing level. Yes, before he abandoned the work. So the people of Nnewi started doing donations every Sunday to finish up the cathedral. If you don't know something, go and ask. Ifeanyi Ubah started the building quite alright, and he ended at a roofing level. Then that's where he stopped before the people of Nnewi started doing donations. If you don't know anything, ask question. If anybody did not finish that building single-handedly, though the bishop gave a short recognition, but even if bishop, okay, despite that the bishop mentioned him, people are still saying that they should have molded him, his image. Even if you mold the image of Capital Oil, people will say all the bishops should have kneeled down and bowed down to Ifeanyi Ubah. People must always talk. Igbos are talking rubbish. Igbos are rubbish talkers. They always talk and talk and talk. Aye.